this?
My mom's plate.
There's something.
There's my plate, the pizza. That's my brother's dish. My big brother's dish. My dad's dish.
My dish isn't completed yet. I need more Alfredo sauce.
This is my dad's dish over there. I'm pointing at. See over there?
This one.
Yeah, this one. And that's my little sister's. And that's all. Okay, I'm gonna try for mom. Is this steak, right?
No, it's chicken.
Oh, it's not my chicken. There you go.
Lemon rosemary chicken.
Oh.
So much.
I don't.
This test is set at all of them.
No, that's cool.
This test is set at all of
That's
them.
okay. I gotta be careful. It's hot. The dish I have is a pepperoni pizza. Pizza.
I didn't take a picture. At least right now, before you know.
Pretty cool and delicious, right?
In a couple of weeks, we're gonna take a picture, and you're gonna be above the back of the seat of the.
Oh.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, fruit.
I'm getting a knife. Food.
Legit.
Oh. That's okay. That's okay if it didn't cut. I got it. Oh, a knife. There we go. Where's the pizza? This one. Wow, pretty cool, y'all. Where's mine?
Even after, it's still hot.
Yeah, I don't have to eat all. That's cool. That's okay. Yeah, it was great. It does look great. Here's more breadsticks.
Even do that.
I'll eat whatever.
Real fast.
Yeah, I'll eat whatever I can.